Hi mga kabahay! So sa mga naghahanap po ng properties located along Molino Boulevard or Molino Bacoor, Cavite, this duplex unit is available for sale. This is near RFO. Meron itong 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, and 1 powder room dito sa ating ground floor. Tara, check natin ang ating property. If you're interested kabahay to view this duplex unit, please send us a message at 0916-518-4710. This is Juan Tapawan of Exusia Properties, your PRC, and this is the accredited salesperson. Thank you for watching kabahay and see you on the next vlog.